What's up, Algebra 1? So this video is on factoring trinomials with the a coefficient equal to 1. Right, remember this is the a coefficient here. Alright, so the first thing you want to ask yourself is the polynomial in standard form? Is the polynomial in standard form? And you just want to check and look at the exponents. Make sure the degrees are in order from highest to lowest. That's what standard form is. Okay? So notice that the degrees go from 2 to 1. The exponents go from 2 to 1 to 0. So yes, the polynomial is in standard form. The trinomial is in standard form. So we're good to go. We're going to start factoring this. And to help us, to guide us through these sort of problems, alright, we're going to use the box method. We're going to use the box method to help us out here. Alright, this will really help us understand what's going on, especially as the problems get more difficult later on. So you guys know, remember in class we discovered a pattern that the first term and the third term will always be in the first and the last box. Alright, and we need to figure out what these numbers and variables are going to be, right? These are our binomials. So right away you know that the only way to get to x squared is x times x. Okay? Now we need to figure out two numbers that are going to multiply to negative 21. Alright, but remember, when we combine like terms, we add these two boxes. They have to add up to negative 4x. Alright, and that's what we discovered in class. So what do we do next? We set up our chart. And again, I always want you guys to set up your chart like so. You multiply to a times c. The a is 1, the c is negative 21. So a times c will always be negative 21 in this problem. Alright, there you go. Setting up my chart, and you want to add to b, which is negative 4. Alright, so now you're going to play around with the numbers here. You got to make sure it multiplies to negative 21 and adds to negative 4. Alright, so you might come up with 1 and 21, right? Oh wait, 1 times 21 gives you positive 21, so I have to make sure one of these is negative, right? So negative 21 times 1 will give you negative 21, but does it add to negative 4? No, it doesn't. Alright, so you might want to look for some other combination, right? Negative 1 and 21 doesn't work either, right? Negative 1 plus 21 gives you 20, so it doesn't work either. Alright, so what else multiplies to 21? Well, you know that 7 and 3 multiply to 21. Alright, so what about negative 7 times 3? Negative 7 times 3 will give me negative 21, and negative 7 plus 3 gives me negative 4. So yes. Alright, the numbers that we're going to work with are negative 7 and 3. So where do they go in the box? Well, one of the numbers will go here, and the other one will go up here. Negative 7 times 3 will give you negative 21. Negative 21. Alright, so how do we write our final answer? We know what our binomials are. We just bring them down. X minus 7, x plus 3. That is our final answer. Alright, you might write it the other way around, x plus 3 times x minus 7. Okay, that's okay too.